Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries fire sign, and this reading is for the month of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is monthly reading. So let's see Aries, your recent past. So let's see. Ten of Cups, Queen of Swords and High Priestess, your recent past. I think one person is very straightforward in this connection, Queen of Swords and High Priestess. Definitely trust your intuition, and one person taking decisions regarding their intuition in this connection. Ten of Cups, yes, you both want this Ten of Cups in your life. Definitely you both want this connection. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Aries. Queen of Cups, King of Cups, sorry. Seven of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Four of Pentacles. Yes, I think in harsh communication is happened in past between both of you. One person will cut the communication because one person want to offer this cup of love, but one person is not expressive in this connection. Four of Pentacles, very stubborn, and some sneaky energy also. Seven of Swords. Definitely there is some sneaky energy. There is no communication between both of you, or less communication. So I want clarification cards here for why is King of Cups is here. Thunderbolt, Tower. Yes, some tower movement is happened between both of you. Participation, Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames. Celebration. Some could be third party also between, because there is some, it's lot of issues between both of you, because Seven of Swords here, Four of Pentacles here. For some third party, only for some, very few, but Four of Wands, you both want this connection, but some tower movement is happened between both of you right now, or it is going to be happen in near future. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aries. Maturity, wow. Ace of Pentacles. Turning in means Four of Cups. Conditioning, yes. Devil energy. One person is very dominative in this connection. Who give less, they will dominate the connection, definitely. But one person is walking away. I think they are taking rest. Four of Cups and feeling sad. Four of Cups, but they want to offer this to you, long-term commitment to you, but here the devil energy is here. Your person could be Capricorn, that's why they are not taking any action, but they are willing to offer this to you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. There is a lot of sneaky energy between both of you. Silence, the star, but one person is very positive about the connection. Inner voice, two times High Priestess. Trust your intuition, and the burden, Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship. Okay. Intensity. Page of Wands. Yes, I think your person want to communicate you, and this could be long distance relationship. Trust your intuition. They are willing to offer this, but there are a lot of, you are obsessed with your person, or your person could be obsessed with you. The devil energy is here. So due to he feeling very burdened, or you could be feel very burdened. So they want to communicate you right now. They want to express these things to you. In past they are not expressive. So right now they want to call you, and they want to message you. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.